Hello everyone. I have this globe bowl from Dollar Tree and you can find it in the floral section. I also have this pillar candle holder from the candle section from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show y'all. It had a little chip in it. It's the only one that I've found, but it's going to be covered up, so it'll be okay. And I'm going to be using some of the bling that I got a while back from Petala's Bless, and I won one of her giveaways. And I'm also going to be using this diamond wrap here. So let's get started, and don't forget your glue gun, and I need to get a new one. So I'm listening to Centroid Aerial Images, and they're doing a live stream, and I was laughing at them so hard that I messed up my pattern, but I actually think it turned out really cute, so I'm going to keep doing it this way. I started off with the little two rows of the diamond wrap, and I went around, and then I did 1 and 1 of this gold, and then I did just 1, 2, and this is on either side, and 1 and then 1. And so I think at least I got it right on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with this pattern all the way around, but it's turning out really cute. This rose gold here is like the perfect size to cover up this little chip and go all the way around. So I have taken this little pillar here, and I'll show you what I did. I took some of the rose gold bling, put it on the top. I put 2 rows in the center of each of these little places here, and then at the bottom, more rose gold. At the bottom, I've placed 1 single row of rose gold. I'm now going to take my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to go right around the edges here. And I'm going to do a couple of little things just in here because you won't be able to see the bottom. And then I'm just going to place it right on top. And I'll be right back. This little center part here, I'm not liking the way that it's looking. So what I'm going to do is take some more of this rose gold, and I'm just going to place it like right kind of around in the center, all the way around.